What's up? I'm back with an unboxing. This is not that exciting, but it's going to be fun because I'm going to make it fun because there's a knife involved and there's a box involved. And we're going to open it. And we're going to open it and... Oh, not very sharp anymore. I don't know. Are you supposed to unbox this way? I don't know. All right. So, the ever-waiting from my favorite place, Sweetwater. Guess what we got, baby? Oh yeah. Just so everybody knows, Sweetwater candy, baby. Yeah. Gotta have some Sweetwater candy. Got a thank you paper. Yeah. Solid box. Green bubbles. Check. And oh yeah, baby, we got some Mogamis. So we got a 15-footer and a 10-footer. Why? Well, because these are the best of the best. And there's a huge difference. Now, I did buy some small ones to speed up my process because I didn't know when these were going to show up. But now I'm going to change it around so that I have one big one and not... Well, okay, so part of this video, besides this, they're unboxed. They're wires, they're Mogami, they're expensive, but boy, there is a difference in sound. So my objective is not to process and not to do a ton of editing, just to be able to hit record and go. So I'm going to try to keep this faster. All right, so right now we actually have... And we're going through a cloud lifter. Why? Because, well, you know, what's a little experimentation? Now, on the Rodcaster here, on the Rodcaster Pro, which, yeah, I'm not going to pull out. Sorry. Anyways, I did not mess with the processing that was on here. So they already had some depth, some sparkle, and some punch. And then in the effects, I guess there's a little reverb and whatever. So I'm going to turn all of that off. My room is pretty quiet in here. I got some stuff there. Got some styrofoam stuff there. Unfortunately, I got some airplanes because I got a little bit of a gap because it's hot. Well, it's California. It's Bay Area hot. So it's warmer than normal. Anyway, so first thing we're going to do with the cloud lifter on, I'm going to turn off all of the processing. So this is the effects. That one's off. And then this is the other processing. Oh, did that turn? Oh, okay. So when I hit the effects, it turned all of them off. So right now, no processing. I don't know. I would say I would hear anything, but I don't because I'm not wearing the headphones. Because it doesn't matter anyway. I'm going to record. So now what I'm going to do, now that we did the quiet test, and you have the basic noise test going on right here, I'm going to turn everything down and off, and I'm going to swap out to go direct from this to there with no cloud lifter. Oh, so hold that thought. So now, oh wait, the processing turned back on? Oh, that's because it switched mics. Oh, hold on, let me switch. This one says pod mic. Let's switch over to the one that says Procaster. So this is what it sounds like if you have the Pro. Oh wait, is that not loud? Hold on. Let me turn this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not very loud, huh? All right, let me turn it up a little bit here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That should be good. Should be. So that's at 55 dB. And this is with the quote pod mic on. So we're gonna switch it over here. We're gonna turn everything. Now this is, it automatically turned down to 50 dB, which I don't know why, because according to the levels, it's barely at where it should be. And on the computer, it's lower than where I would like it to be. Actually, well, what we could do, why doesn't it show up that it's going out USB on, whatchamacallit? Weird. Okay. Anyways, so let's, okay, so right now there's whatever automatic processing pops on, right? So I'm going to turn all of that off. So I'm going to go click and, oh, okay. So you turn one of them off and they all go off. So this is no processing. This is one wire. Mind you, it's Mogami. So it's the best of the best, basically, because it's like 4 wires and there's all this like magical stuff that stops it from creating feedback. And it's huge difference, I'll tell you what. Huge. So anyways, this is 50 dB. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to turn it up a little bit, because according to what I'm seeing, let's go right here. How about that? Now, if I get too loud, it might peak. So here, 53 dB with the setting of the Procaster, which is what this beautiful mic is. Whoa. So yeah, there you go. The question is, what does it sound like? Here we go. The silence test. Okay, minus an airplane. So there you go. There is the silence test with no cloud lifter. You heard earlier the silence test with the cloud lifter. So there you go. Is it quieter? I don't know yet. I'll find out when I upload, play. So literally most of these videos, I'm just uploading or recording, upload, recording, and then upload. So anyways, well, there you go. Is it quieter? Is there noise that the cloud lifter doesn't have? I think I turned everything, right? I turned everything off with the cloud lifter. Try to keep it at the same level. Yeah. So we should be good. You'll know whether or not cloud lifter makes noise or not. All right. So keep this as short as possible. Peace out. Till next time. Oh, you know what? Do the thing. Subscribe. All that fun stuff. Share to a friend. Tell a neighbor. Tell anybody. Don't care. Everybody. Peace out.